guys, we're here back at the shop with more goodies, more surprises. I'm excited because we are going to be opening all these boxes right now, right here. This is all for Beamer Invasion. Make sure you have noties on so you can be ready for more future videos of the M2 and all the other builds. But we're going to go ahead, we're going to get these things going. Here and ready. I want to give a huge thank you and shout out to G87 Auto Styling for sending over these goodies, especially getting them in time for Beamer Invasion. And I'm excited that all of this is going to be done for the event. But I have the rear spoiler, the front lip, the carbon inserts, which I am so excited for, and then the side skirts are behind me. I'm ready to have this car done for the event, especially having the booth and the F87. This is going to be the first event with both the cars there, so it's extra special. But we're gonna go ahead and get this on the car. I wish I could just, snap and it's on, but we're gonna get going. Beamer Invasion and mine, they sent me things. Lord almighty, look how much stuff is in here, holy crap. But I hope to see so many of you guys at Beamer Invasion. Maybe I'll go to the LA one in September, maybe. Ooh! So essentially, taking the whole front bumper off to do the inserts, because you have to take the front bumper off to do the inserts. Then I'm also going to do the front lip. I'm going to change these out since I&D sent me the paint matched. And then as well, we are going to be able just to take the lights off anyways. It's like 2 bolts, and so we're going to do the DRLs as well. So, a lot done in one time. I love the amount of grippy areas I have on this bumper.
Grip, huh?
Got that grip.
Does it grip?
Them grippers, they be gripping. So what I really love about this front lip is that they take advantage of using the stock bolt holes on the bottom of the bumper. Unlike some where you have to then drill your own, this you can just literally line it up with the holes, 3M it on, and you're good to go. Before putting that on, I'm going to flip it over so I can get these out. So I'm going to do them at the same time as doing the front lip. There were no tabs really that you had to pop at the bottom that caused issues, but I did have to pop it out of each of these tabs, took all the bolts out, and it was probably the easiest process of taking a front bumper off ever.
Nice cold DP.
A nice crisp DP.
Cover all 9,000 taste buds. That's a 10.
Delicious.
Disgusting.
Get out. You're just sad that you can't rock it like Drake, okay?
Whoa!
I've already gotten this side done. I left all of this connected. I am not touching that. We are keeping it exactly how it is. I'm just folding it back, but essentially this whole piece has to be popped out of the tabs so that you can put the new one in. So that's what I'm doing over here, and there's like a million. I already popped these out. This is getting popped out, this will. And then you gotta pop all these bad boys, and these ones I can't get because my nails are struggling today. Everything done with the front bumper. It's gonna look so freaking good. We have again the carbon inserts, the front lip, and then this just looks so good, so clean, so much better than the reflectors. But I cannot wait to put it on. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get the headlights out so we can do the DRLs. This I am literally so stoked on. Oh, hello. Didn't expect you to be right there.
What are you doing?
Oh, making things cool. Getting yellow lights. I didn't realize how easy these things were to do. There we go. And I'm literally just taking these out. Sticking this back in. And then it's just that. Oh.
Ma'am.
You're telling me That is all they had on there. I don't even think that was stuck down at all.
You're like a surgeon.
Honestly. Front's done. This was the hardest part.
I just don't like that.
And it wasn't even that hard. Honestly,
OEM.
it's just the process of taking off and putting on a front bumper. I've just always absolutely hated it. Dang. Who is she? And look at it. It looks so good. Now that the lights are done, both the carbon inserts and the lip, now I just have to do the side skirts. Looks good to me. I think you can pull it.
Pull it.
Four.
Yeah, okay. Yep, just leave it on. Just 3M. No screws.
They'll stay on forever. They'll never fall off. My whole body is on the ground right
Fetal position to put a screw in.
Sometimes I question myself.
In there.
Can you get out of my face? Hurry up. What are you doing? Hurry up. Hurry up.
I just crash it to the ground. Absolutely obliterate the side skirts.
I could literally fist this thing.
Hey, yo!
You're doing it wrong.
Oh, sorry.
You're
should I do
doing
a
it
U?
wrong. There you go.
And then I hit the, the old classic from you.
Can you even do that? Can you squat down like that?
Hell no.
It's literally coming to an end of a very fun, successful day. So many things that has gotten done. There's only one thing that hasn't gotten done, which is the rear spoiler. I did not do the rear spoiler because I am getting it paint matched. That's what I want. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get it paint matched. I love how the side skirts follow with the front lip. It looks so good. The front lip, the carbon inserts, the paint matched, it looks 1,000 times better. The reflectors just don't do it for me. God, it's just so smexy. It looks so good. I'm nervous. I'm nervy.
I'm nervy.
It's my second burnout ever. I'm gonna be doing this shit all the time. This is dangerous.
$1,800 tires, goodbye.
Come.
The next day.
Oh, hello. We are back on the next day. I can finally show you the car outside in the light. It looks so freaking good. I went this morning and got an alignment. I got some adjustments. The rear is about 2.8 and the front is 2.2 for the camper. I added 10.5 millimeter spacers in the front. They didn't have 10s. 10.5 is fine. It looks really good. And then I did 15 in the rear for spacers as well. I think the spacers made it just perfect. If it was just a little bit lower, it would be better, but this is again just temporary. I am gonna do coils in the near future eventually, not right now. I'm gonna ride this how it is. It still looks really good and it's super subtle, but the rear looks nice. Look at that. Guys, it is another day, another beautiful day, and we are here with Beamer Invasion. Doing every build has a story, and I am absolutely petrified. I am nervous for what? I literally talk to you guys all the time, and I'm over here like, guys, I had to do an interview. I'm so scared. What do I do? This video will probably come out before the interview, so I will definitely post when it comes out, but we're gonna do some BTS. We're gonna have some fun today. The interview's gonna be great, but I'm getting M2 ready to go. We're getting rollers right now in Orlando. and now it's just so filled with traffic. We're trying to find a good spot and utilize what we can that doesn't have a lot of traffic, but my anxiety is also like, am I in the right spot? I just need to learn to take a chill pill sometimes, you know? Look how cute this spot is. She just sits so perfect. They're doing their thing, getting the photos, the video. This is honestly only like the second time this car has ever been photographed, videoed, anything. This car has gotten neglected really bad. They're getting one more shot and then I'm gonna move it. Honestly, how do you guys feel about my hair? I went like a little bit more blonde and blonder in the front, but I feel like I don't think I am liking it as much. I don't know.
Wow.
Oh, hello. Look how pretty. Well, we're getting ready for the interview. Mason's cleaning the wheels. Mason's finally doing something.
It's about time he does something. You know, before in the beginning, Natalie had herself actually clean the wheels. That should have been Mason's
That
job.
should have been your job, buddy.
say?
Yeah, sponsored by Gion, the best products out there. Come on, buddy.
I'm putting on the work boots.
Now the main thing is actually the person that's filming. We're gonna be asking her a bunch of questions. She's a little bit nervous, but she's been doing fine. What did you think about the whole scene?
It was extremely fun. I was nervous for nothing.
And the main thing is we're talking about your car, your passion, right? And
Exactly.
you know, we're gonna make you look good on camera, so don't worry
We're
about
gonna
that.
kill it. All right, well, I'm gonna go get myself kind of fixed up a little bit and then be ready, even though I'm pretty sure I look fine, but you know how it is. If we just finished the interview, it is every build has a story, and I'm going to have it linked eventually when it does come out. This video will probably come out before their video does, but it just gets you guys excited and the build up behind it, so you can hear a little bit about my story and the car scene and everything about it, and I'm so excited. And I want to give a huge thank you to Beamer Invasion for having me on, especially as the first female. I literally cannot thank them enough for that. I also want to give a huge shout out to Beamer Tech for allowing us to have the interview here and being super amazing and so friendly. And yeah, I'm excited for you guys to see it. I hope it's not awful. We're here. The other car's over there. Still in. Both cars are parked, and then the trailer is parked in the trailer parking. Michael has the truck right now. I have to drive both of them around, so Mason will drive one and I'll have to drive one because I have to burn the gas because Mason decided to fill a full tank of gas on the G87 when I told him not to, but it's okay. We'll drive them around, we'll enjoy them, but I have to set up the booth right now. It is Friday. I'm gonna set up the booth, get everything set. The cars will be brought in the morning. I still have to potentially get the cars washed too, but we'll see if I have time because I have to go shoot and drive the cars. And I don't know how long that's gonna take, so. But there's so many cars here right now, it's crazy. Look at that color, it's so pretty. The booth is looking stunning in here. We got the new designs. Honestly, I am thriving for both of these color options, and I think I'm gonna take one of each shirts for myself. I think the design, it just flows so well and looks so clean. I think this is by far one of my favorite designs that I have done to date. And the green, oh, wispy. These designs though, because this will be after the show, these are super limited stock, super limited stock, super limited stock. So if you're wanting any of these, they're not going to be restocked. Get them while you can. Look, you could be matching. Look how good it looks.
Or you could be not matching with me and getting the even better merch with the new colors.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying. They
It's
look
heavyweight but soft. Garment dyed.
You're a great salesman.
It's nice. Look at that. Live fast, drive faster. That's all I'm saying.
Live
Look, dude.
fast, driver faster.
Driver faster.
Guys, shop the merch. It's beautiful. I love it. And the new air freshener for the Meister. They smell amazing. Squash is the best. They said cars would need to be here by like 5 a.m. and you know, that's hella early. So I'm thinking I'll probably have Mason and Michael drive the cars in the morning, park them, and then they can come back to the hotel while we get ready because Amanda and I are gonna be getting all ready for tomorrow. We're gonna go get food. It is, let's see, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock and I have not eaten anything. I've only had a coffee. Look at my gang. I love me friends. I love my best friends. They're amazing. Michael's rocking the shirt. What you watching, buddy? Is that?
It's going to
Watch
be
the
there. It's
vlog.
gonna have I don't want to do that one. First one is Daddy's Money's Lighter, M4 G82 purple, a purple M4. All right. So once again, and where'd you come from?
Raleigh, North Carolina.
Raleigh, North Carolina. Thanks for coming out. She won one of the best Beamer Girl Awards. Thanks for coming out. Appreciate it. Thanks again. Another best Beamer Girl Award. And this one, I believe, is inside. You may know her by Natalie Roush. But Natalie's here. I haven't met her. So you guys may know her by Natalie Roush. I know she is a car girl. And I love her cars. I remember seeing it in yellow. So thanks for coming out. Well-deserved trophies.
It is officially end of day. Everybody is pulling out, packing up, and it's so loud. But I have to come admire the Borsteiner kit. I want to show you guys how good this kit looks. I need this kit in my life. I need it. The quality, the fit, and on the red, it looks stunning. Look at how crispy. Guys, I think this is my favorite part. I love the hood. But can we admire? Can we please admire this spoiler? They did not miss with this kit. They did not miss at all. Mason can't find the truck. It's in the easiest spot ever, I swear. Where is Mason? I'm literally gonna get to the truck and just have to stand there because I don't even know where he is now.
Where are you at? Tell me that.
I'm in the very front of the building. Man, you walked a mile for what?
Literally did.
Okay, I'll see you in a second.
Don't say anything, alright?
Okay. Gosh, dang.
I'm coming.
I'm waiting. It's been like 2 years. Where you at?
I don't see you yet. I'm about to walk out the door. Where are you at?
Okay, bye.
Yeah, I walked a whole mile around the whole entire building in the rain
Yeah.
to find the truck that's not where I thought it was because I didn't
But
listen.
who told you this morning? Who told you this morning where it was?
Because I didn't listen.
It is currently raining right now and we have to tow. I just hooked up the trailer to the truck in the rain. You're good on my side. Yeah, you got a good gap. No, yeah, you're good, you're good. All right, we're gonna get her strapped up, ready to go, and then we're gonna head home.
You're gonna strap this thing?
Oh, I'm gonna strap her, that's for sure.
Okay, just wondering.